Sir, why did APJ Satya and Swaran Group choose to collaborate with UN Young Changemakers Conclave?
I think one of the most important things, which gets said by a lot of people, is that the youth is the future of our country, right? But rather than just saying it, we said, look, we need to be out there supporting it. And we have almost 35,000 students across the APJ Education Society, our CSR initiative. We have 65,000 young alumni as well. And we thought this would be a fantastic forum for all of them to come, join in with some of the leaders of the world, meet, discuss, and come up with some solutions to the problems that are facing humanity, but also to inspire themselves to figure out, to start new things.
As an educationist, what role do you think an education will play to help students to achieve these goals?
Education has always played the primary role, and I think it continues to play a primary role in really getting people to not only understand what's happening in the world, but also to equip with them the lifelong skills that are required to actually do something about it. And I think more than anything, particularly APJ Satya University and the APJ Education Society, we've always been focused on global leadership.
Are you planning any activities in APJ institutes to encourage students to contribute in achieving sustainable development goals?
Absolutely, and it's something that we see as a very long-term mission. We've always worked closely with international organizations, and I think this is a start of a year or 2 years or 3 years where we really look and focusing on, are there 3 or 4 major development goals that we can come to and really use our brain trust, which is our students, to come up with solutions and really come up with actionable ideas.
And what long-term vision do you share of APJ Satya and Swaran Group with this platform?
Well, that is something that we are all still in discussion, but I can tell you this, we have been a great supporter of all international organizations that have committed themselves to make a great social change. We're very excited to work with anybody who is trying to push for more development in India, whether it's the government, whether it's the UN, whether it's any other agency. And I think if you have organizations which share common values and common goals, a lot can be done together.